Hey everyone, in this video we're going to make a salad using salmon, shrimp and crab paste. You know, with quinoa also, bok choy, a little bit fresh vegetables. So, stick around, it looks amazing. Hey everyone, in this video, small salad, you know, I have a couple of leftovers from different recipes, so I'm going to make something special. It's going to be like a type of seafood salad. Yeah, we're going to use salmon. I have one tail left over, half of it, and we have a couple of shrimps. I have this one I got from a friend. Yeah, crab paste. We're going to use it as a rub to marinate the seafood. We're going to roast it. A little bit vegetables. Some of them we're going to roast with the seafood. Some of them we're going to roast pan. You know, the bok choy probably. We're going to roast. We're going to create also a small vinaigrette to dress it, everything. And nice quinoa. So, it's going to be rich and with a lot of flavors. So, let's start by marinating a little bit the seafood for the marination and the rubbing. Yeah, shrimp. I'm using with the head. You have a lot of flavor to take from them, you know. So then we're going to take the crab paste marinade with soya beans. Yeah, 2 tablespoons. To it, we're going to add a touch of salt, pepper, black one, and coriander powder. Yeah, a little bit. You have all the ingredients and the method of cooking in the description below, so check it out whenever you have time. Also, we're going to add a little bit of vegetable oil. Now, mix everything very nice. Yeah. To it, we're going to add 2 cloves of garlic that we're going to crush, chop for the salmon or the tail. You can do it as a whole. You can do it with the skin, you can do it without, it's your choice. If you're doing something different, let me know in the comments below, yeah? So, what I'm going to do, I'm probably going to take the skin off, cut it into strips, yeah? Same size as the shrimp, so in the oven it's going to cook evenly and at the same time, yeah? And we're going to brush it as well, all the sides with the marinade. Make sure to finish the marinade. So we're not going to make another video with leftovers. So when they are ready, we're going to let them marinate. But before doing so, we're going to add the leek. Just trim a little bit the edges. We're going to use just the middle part. Yeah, we're going to make it nice. The upper part, keep it, make a nice stock, but make sure to clean it because you're going to have sand in between the leaves. Going to cut it a little bit with the angle, yeah, and put it in between the seafood. Make sure you clean the board, yeah, after you handling it with the seafood. You know, cross-contamination sometimes. We're going to start work on the vegetables. Let's start with the red onion. We're going to slice it and put it in cold water to rinse it a little bit. Take a little bit from the onion flavor, but give it a little bit more crunchiness, yeah? Cold water, same as we did with the ceviche. You weren't here? No worry, I'm going to leave a link here to the ceviche, very nice one. Bok choys, we're going to cut them in half and rinse them under cold water. Sometimes between the leaves, you have insects or you have a little bit sand. It doesn't help if you just rinse it as it is. You need to cut it in the middle, rinse everything under cold water and make sure that it's actually clean, because sometimes you have insects and also sand or like stones a little bit, things like that. Coriander, we're going to take just the leaves, chop them for the salad. We're going to marinate. Nice leaves, keep aside with the red onion that we put in the cold water. Also refresh them a little bit and put a little bit on top as a decoration. For the sauce of the salad, we're going to use Grainy Mustard, olive oil, wine vinegar, very nice one, Dijon, Grainy, and Ontario honey, very nice. So, nice. 1 nice spoon of Grainy Mustard, touch wine vinegar, olive oil, and nice honey. Salt, pepper, yeah, you know the drill, both of them, and mix it. We don't want to put too much flavor in the dressing because the flavor here, it's the paste of the seafood that we're using here, the crab, and the seafood itself that we are roasting. You know, it's going to give its flavor and juices. We're going to dress also the salad with the complement of this one, because the seafood itself, in a fish and seafood, it's a little bit more heavier. The vinegar here, the honey a little bit with the grainy mustard, it's going to lighten a little bit the flavors and going to make the salad a little bit more nice. So, for the seafood, for roasting it, yeah, with the leek, 200 degrees Celsius, 390 Fahrenheit, just the top grill. We're going to give it like 8 to 10 minutes. And a pan already heating up 7, 8 out of 9. We're going to roast the bok choy very nice. Put all the bok choy that we rinsed under cold water. Yeah, we clean everything on a cutting board. We're going to season it first. Let it steam a little bit, roast. Now we're going to flip them. Let them steam a little bit on the other side. And take them out. Quinoa, you can open with a fork. Very nice one. If you want to learn how to cook quinoa, very nice. I'm going to leave you the link here. The one that I made the bread with this quinoa. So, and as soon as the bok choy and the seafood ready, what we can do? We can plate. Beautiful. Nicely roasted. Amazing. So, quinoa, seafood with the leek, yeah. We have the red onion with the coriander, chopped coriander, roughly, yeah, just for the salad. Bok choy, roasted nice. Lettuce, freshness, a little bit crispiness, yeah. I'm going to put a little bit coriander powder also in the dressing. Give it a final kick of the coriander and the dressing itself, yeah. So, you can plate it as you like, yeah. But, you know, here we're plating it nice. So, come closer, take a look on how to do a very nice portion. I'm going to take the leek and break it into the salad. Make it nice. Some quinoa. And this is how you make a beautiful salad with some leftovers from other recipes, if you're following along, yeah? So, make sure to let me know in the comments below what you think about it. Also, if you like it, give it a like, yeah? So, see you next week. I'm Andre. This is ThinkOFood.